It doesn't matter if you buy something as cheap as a pack of chewing gum or as pricey as a new bike. You need to be happy with it and feel like you've spent your money wisely. The best way to guarantee you'll be satisfied with any spend is to be a critical consumer. That means thinking carefully about what you buy before you buy it. It's not just about price either. As a critical consumer, consider what you really need. It's not the best idea to buy a tent, even one that's on sale, if you never go camping. Also, think about quality. If possible, spend a little more money for a better product. Buying cheap products that need replacing often can mean we spend more money over time, not less. As a critical consumer, you should read the small print too. Does the product come with a warranty? That means you can get it repaired or replaced if it breaks. You can also check if the shop has a return policy, so you don't get stuck with something that doesn't work for you. Finally, remember to do your research. Investigate product claims, shop around to compare prices, and read unbiased reviews. You can find these on independent websites, those that aren't connected with the product in any way. Make it your business to be informed, because as a critical consumer, you'll rarely regret your spending.